welcome to Living in the Journey. I'm Natalie.
And I'm Sean, and this is our road dog, Tico.
This week, we get to show you how we got the interior painted of the motorhome. We're pretty excited about it. We contracted that part out from some local.
Yeah, we had locals that came in, Tyrone Wilson with TNT Construction and Melissa LaBeouf with Elegant Painting. I'm gonna leave the links below
to their Facebook pages. They did a wonderful job. Not only did they do the job, but she was able to help me with not having so much experience in this, pick the type of paint to go with, not only the brand, but the type, and then gave me some color suggestions. We ended up going with a color called Chantilly Lace on most of the interior, and then I have a few pops of color, as you will see.
Yeah, and while they was painting, we kind of stayed out their way.
They were able to work through the
COVID.
President Trump, went ahead and did the national emergency, and then
so we got to
they just continued.
We got to eat some more seafood,
work.
Some crabs.
Yeah, you'll see a little bit of that on this video too.
Yeah. This is the Saturday after President Trump declared a state of emergency or national emergency. And we have help that's still in with us right now, and they're helping us paint the motorhome because me and Natalie really aren't good painters. So we hired these guys. They're local from our area, but they're really cool people, and they know how to paint. How you doing, Melissa?
I'm doing great. How are you, Sean?
Pretty good.
We've been priming all day to get this ready for some pretty colors.
Y'all doing an amazing job. We really appreciate y'all coming out and helping.
Yeah, we definitely enjoy it. It's a fun little journey. We've never done something like this before, so to see the before and afters of this one is going to be really cool.
Cool. Thank you. Now, pulling the door off the ice box, I thought it was going to be simple. It was not simple. Yeah, no kind of glue. Stick it on here. I'm gonna try to do the same thing on this one. Not too worried about the edge because I'm gonna put some spackle and try to get any divots left from this. It's the only thing I can use to grab. bear hunting right now in the Jeep. Yeah, driving around the neighborhood.
Everybody got bears in their windows for kids
It's
to
really
watch.
an odd time for us. The world we're living in right now has been basically shut down.
Are we getting joy from riding around in our own neighborhood in a Jeep? Which we have done.
Yes.
We have done before. Cool, look at this little area here. We got a pretty big, look at the water, how high. It's just like right there.
It's a pond.
Oh.
Thanks for watching our videos. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. And share these videos with your friends and family.
Now on the back wall, where we painted, where we fixed it, and we had the water damage, I'm thinking about putting some shiplap.
Shiplap.
Yeah, and
I like that idea.
yeah, I think that would look pretty cool. You could see a little bit where I sanded and paint
Only
didn't
when the
hide
light
it.
hits it
Yeah.
a certain way.
So
but
either-
we wanted to put shiplap somewhere.
Yeah, so I think we're gonna do that right there.
Oh, and you'll get to see the sink.
Yeah, the sink coming in. Yeah.
We didn't just get a regular sink. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be really cool. We're excited. We really, in the next few videos, we're gonna be getting into the meat and potatoes of the design, and I'm getting pretty excited about it.
Yeah.
So we made a bunch of decisions, and you'll get to see that.
Yeah, and I called Winnebago up today, and they're supposed to have catalog parts of everything that's in here. Well, the shower is no longer being manufactured, so we're gonna have to do something custom in that shower. Pretty
Because
much.
we ripped it out.
Yeah, pretty
as
much
you
what
saw.
my game plan was to do something custom, but
You have a game plan, though.
yeah, I do. It's gonna look nice.
You're gonna get it. A shower is such a big deal in a camper. If you don't have a camper, know now that a shower is a game changer. Our
Yep.
last motorhome, it was tiny, and it was a
Nothing
shower.
was wrong with it.
No,
Not when you camping.
But
If
it
you
was-
camping. You camping.
no, it was great. Yeah, it was bougie as all get out camping. It was glamping, but I knew if we were gonna get a second one, I was not getting a shower curtain.
Yeah, this one, me and
Door.
Natalie can fit inside the shower together. I mean, it's a big shower. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tile it. I will.
I'm gonna tile it.
I'm gonna tile that.
We're gonna tile that merch link down below. Tile that.